Hello students, second exercise before up to 3 problems completed. Now fourth question, with most of the Xerox machines you can reduce or enlarge your original by entering a percentage for the copy. For that, Reshma wanted to enlarge 2 centimeters by 4 centimeter drawing. For that means with 2 centimeters, her want 4 centimeter enlarge. She set the Xerox machine for 150% and copied her drawing. So what will be the demands means measures of the copy of the drawing be? Answer, length of the copy 2 centimeters and breadth equal to 4 centimeters. If the length is increased 150%, the length is increased in 150%, then its measure means 150% of 2 centimeters. 150% of 2 centimeters. Here for percent means by 100. 150 by 100 into 2. Half means into 2. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. 1.5 into 2. Here 15 by 10 means 1.5. 1.5 into 2 we get 3 centimeters. And same like the breadth is increase in 150%, then its measure. Breadth how much? 4 centimeters means 150% of 4 centimeters means 150 by 100 into 4. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. 1.5 into 4. Here 15 by 10 means 1.5. 1.5 by into 4 we get 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Now, so what is the length? Therefore, length equal to 3 centimeters. Here we get 3 centimeters. Breadth equal to 6 centimeters. So, actual length 2 centimeters. Breadth 4 centimeters. Now, enlarge, increase length equal to 3 centimeters. Breadth equal to 6 centimeters. Fifth question. The printed price of book is 150 rupees and discount is 15%. Find the actual amount to be paid. The printed price of book. The printed price of book equal to 150 rupees. And the discount percent they given, discount equal to 15%. Discount percent equal to 15%. For that, now discount equal to, they given discount percent. Now discount equal to 15% of 150. 15 by 100 into 150. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. Here 15 by 10 means 1.5 into 15. So we get 22.5 rupees. 22.5. Now the CP of book. CP of a book equal to actual what? Printed book 150 rupees. 150 minus discount 22.5 equal to 127.50. This is rupees. CP of book equal to means discount percent means 15%. 15% amount what? 22.5 means 22 rupees 50 paise. 150 rupees minus 22.5 we get 127.50. Sixth question. The marked price means MP of gift item equal to 176 rupees and sold means SP equal to 165 rupees. Find the discount percent. See this answer. Here marked price of gift means MP of gift. MP of gift equal to 176 rupees. For that SP selling price equal to 165. For that discount equal to 176 minus SP 165. We get 11 rupees. Answer 11 rupees. For that they are asking discount percent. Discount percent equal to means discount by total MP into 100. Discount by MP into 100. Here cancellation. 11 ones, 11 ones, 11, 11 6 means 100 by 16. 100 by 16. Again here 2 table cancellation. 2 8s, 2 50s. Again 2 table, 2 4s, 2 25s. 25 by 4. We can write 6 1 by 4 mixed fraction. This is percent. Discount percent 6 1 by 4. This is answer. 7th question. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each. However, 5 bulbs were fused on and put them into scrap. The remaining were sold at 12 rupees each. Find the gain or loss percentage. Gain or loss and find that percentage. Answer. The CP of means cost price of 200 bulbs at the rate of 10 rupees for each. Means each one 10 rupees. Like that 200 bulbs cost 200 into 10. We get 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees. For that, if 5 bulbs are fused, then remaining are means 200 minus 5. We get 195. For that, the CP of means CP they given SP means selling price of 195 bulbs at the rate of 12 rupees. For each equal to 195 into 12 means 5 bulbs are damaged in that 200 bulbs. Total we get 195. In that cost SP of 12 rupees. But she got CP equal to 10 rupees. For that 195 into 12 we get 2340 rupees. Now which is more, CP 2000, SP 2340. Here SP is greater than CP. SP greater than CP means we'll get profit. Means profit equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. How much profit? 2340 minus 2000. So we'll get 340. 340 is profit. But they are asking profit percent. So profit percent equal to formula profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. Profit how much here? 340 by CP means 2000 into 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled, 1 0 get cancelled, 2 ones, 2 17s. Cancellation see here again. 2 zeros get cancelled, 1 0 cancel. Here 2 is there, 2 ones, 2 17s. So now profit percent equal to 17%. Answer 17%.